Welcome to Intellias. Let's spend some time together. I'm currently working on TomTom project, specifically in map matching team, so my main responsibility to make sure that your chevron will always stick to the route and you will never observe any issues while navigating. In addition, I had the opportunity to be part of Center of Excellence team, where I help with the hiring process for new candidates. Interviews are not only about validating technical skills, but also about asserting soft skills, mindset, and how they will integrate into the team. That's why I approach interview with empathy and respect.
Tell me more about your tattoo.
Oh, about this one. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of ABBA specifically, and I love this song, so I decided to myself, okay, why not?
Why do you have cars on your table?
Oh, I'm a huge fan of Formula 1. Specifically, I'm cheers for Red Bull Racing. Yeah, so I like team who have drama inside of it. Yeah, so that's why I love it. One of my huge hobby is participating in improv theater. Yeah, so improv is a way how we can create a scene without having any direct script, so we only improvise and we only follow our instincts.